Sometimes you need to validate a bunch of addresses. If you check your local AI for how-tos, you'll see a plethora of options for high-quality address validation APIs. However, you don't need to be a coder or know how to set up an API to start validating a list of addresses. If you have a large file, like a CSV, full of addresses that need to be validated, you can do that as quick as a whip. Click the link in the description or go to smarty.com. Hover over Resources at the top and then select Bulk Address Validation. You can drop your address file right here. This can be a CSV, Excel file, or TXT file. You'll want to make sure it is formatted with the street address in one column, then cities, state in the next, and finally zip code. Without a Smarty account and an associated subscription, you'll only be able to validate up to 10 addresses at a time. Here's a hack to get around that. You can sign up for a free account and get 1,000 free address lookups for free. Upload your file to the tool. Now select United States or international addresses. My samples are all in the US of A. Next, choose how you want the response to be delivered back. You may only need the city, state, and zip code combinations, but as for me, I want the full address. Hit Process 10 Records, and in a flash, I have my 10 addresses validated, and I can even download the results in a CSV. Each address comes with a heap of additional metadata that I can see in the web interface, and it's also included in the CSV. That's how you validate addresses in bulk. Please drop any questions in the comments. Peace.